I do believe that life offers us many opportunities to grow, change, and evolve into a better person. And many times we don't take advantage of those opportunities, but they are always there. Many times in life, we encounter struggles and discouragement to a level that can be sometimes off-putting and in other times downright debilitating. And yet, there's something exists within the human being, the drive, the inner drive to discover the way forward. At least the best way for us. And C++ is like that sometimes, where it serves like a crucible in which the truth comes out, the truth of ourselves, and we encounter struggles and growth. And on the surface, it would appear that what you're dealing with when using a language like C++ and the tools that are often connected with it is technical in nature. But that's far from the truth. The real truth is the reward for those who persevere in the technical sciences and arts is a deeper and better understanding of growth and struggle and evolution of the mind. And so that is the opportunity that is before us when considering C++ in this particular case. It is regarded as one of the most complicated and challenging languages that you can use, though for some strange reason I don't see it that way. And that has nothing to do with my capacity as an individual. It probably has more to do with my attitude. I see C++ as extremely vital to many of the things that I would like to achieve with software in my private life. C++ is not something that I use professionally. Professionally, I use other languages, other technologies, other systems, and C++ is something that I undertake as a private matter. And so, what we have is a set of videos that I've put together that shows the C++ development process in a very compact and core way. Many times when you're trying to learn tools that have many buttons and options to build code and put software together, you become deeply connected to those particular tools, but yet those tools can offer one a false sense of accomplishment and ability. And so it makes sense to unplug from those visual tools and those more elaborate tool sets from time to time. Get back to basics and truly understand the essence of the craft of software development. And so, following this introduction, there are 22 videos, and they're there for whomever would like to partake of them. And they are simply there as a contribution to society and a gift of my experience and my many years of research into these topics to whoever can benefit from them. The first 11 videos, though they may not appear to be so, they're actually a mirror copy of the last 11 videos. What that means is the first 11 videos cover ground of a more basic nature, and the next 11 videos after that cover the same topics but at a more advanced level. So I don't say that you should go through the videos in sequence if you're interested in this information. Actually, it can be helpful to jump around. And my biggest piece of advice when watching anything like this is to take advantage of the pause button. Sometimes I go fast, and sometimes I go slow, and you may find it helpful to press pause in order to grasp what was said, what was presented. And so there are a few things that is covered in these videos. Number one is the concept that your desktop is not some area of your computer that is separate and distinct from your software development tools. Indeed, when you are developing software, your desktop is part of your tool set. It may not appear so, but it is definitely there, and I discussed that in the first video in the set of 22 videos. And I also talk about build servers. We set up a build server. Actually, we don't set up a build server. We use a build server that I've already set up. And I show you how to set up SSH connectivity into the server, as well as discuss topics such as command line scripts and how to get a faster workflow in your development so that you can write code, pitch the code to a build server, grab the code back, compile it, run it, and verify the results of your effort. I hope you enjoy these 22 videos, and if you find that you have questions, the best thing to do is first ask yourself, did I drop a line on a book reference that you might find useful to better understand a given point? And second, everything that I cover are merely the basics, and there is information out there in the form of books, web articles, and other videos that cut into a slice of a given topic or a given point that I present in more depth. And so you could see these videos as more of a summary of the software development process at a core level, at an essential level, using C++ and C. And may your journey be a successful one.